Hey folks, today we're going fishing. No, not that kind of fishing. A different kind of fishing. See you all in a bit. So welcome folks. So what does I mean by fishing? Well, fishing I believe is a technique in photography or street photography where you try and identify somewhere where you find somewhere to frame a subject, and then you wait for the subject to come through where you've chosen for your frame. So we're going to try and do that today. So I've got quite a walk down the beach. For now though, let's just get a nice shot of the beach. With all the people walking on it. Oh, little doggy. We've got quite a way to walk down. There's a nice building down here which could have some nice shadows, because evening is a good time of morning where we've got strong shadows, so we could use light to isolate the frame. We could use an archway or part of a building, so that's what we're going to look for. So I will catch you in a bit when I walk further down the beach. Here comes our first chance to get a shot here. I have no idea whether I got that. And it was a cyclist as well. It was a cyclist. Dare I have a look? Well, it was a bit out of focus. I think it's time to move on. So what I found here is a transition of light. And I'm trying to capture people going past as they transition through the light. Or indeed if they just sit down. So I've kind of found some shadows here. I kind of want to frame people in. So you can see the shadows of the ground there create some interesting stripes. So I'm just going to wait for some people to come past. I'm trying to use the archway there. So I'm going to use that archway to frame people. There's a lot less walking involved in this. Anyway, let's move on. Right, so just got a normal shot here. I just thought the doggies looked the same, so I thought I'd snap them. And we've got quite an interesting situation here. I just have to see if anybody walks past it. We have a first person, but they're quite far away. There's a runner though. He ran away. He was quite a distant runner. But I like the way the sunlight shots are coming through there. I hope they're not blinding the camera. But quite a nice picture. And I think we finally got one. I think that one was probably quite decent. Yep, shadows. We can probably work with that one. But we'll try this position for a little bit longer. So there are one or two people going to walk through here eventually. And as you see, we've got this interesting transition from shadow to sharp light. I'm just going to get a shot, actually, a sunset shot. We'll expose for the sky. If actually, we might try and get some silhouette, actually, if people going past. Right, time to move on. So, time to walk back along the beach. The sun's pretty much set. That's my shadow. You can see the shadow's that long. I can get round this way. As always, folks, I've got a few shots I took when I wasn't recording, which I will play at the end, or show you at the end, whichever way you look at it. Look, it's a quintessential misbehaving doggy. The dog was refusing to move. It's lying down. I wouldn't walk with anybody who had a bag of poop in the hand anyway. Ooh, we might just get these people in here. Alright, we'll set up right for exposure. They're at the right position. We might get some here after all. Oh, I should look like I'm out of breath. I have to stop. I'm going to look at my pictures. I've spotted an opportunity. I think I can get a reflection. I suspect I can get a good reflection here. So, okay, let's get the camera in a good position. We've got that there. I'll try and get both the people and the reflection framed in the water. We got that one. Very nice. That's exactly what I wanted. And it was a little bit of, that was a combination of hunting, because we had to hunt that one down, but then we waited for them to walk into the scene. I spotted the scene back there and thought, there's people walking past that, I can get their reflection and frame them in that section of stream running down to the sea. And that was the whole plan. We've got another one here. There's a few people behind us. So it's certainly been a lesson for me, this. I thoroughly enjoyed trying something a little bit different. and I hope you've enjoyed the journey with me. Thank you for watching. Remember, we will have some bonus pictures at the end. As always, please do subscribe, click the bell, and like the video if you enjoyed what you saw. I do have quite a collection of, a growing collection of point of view photography videos, and that's one of the main focuses of the channel now. So, see you all soon. Bye.